Today we're going to have a look at Simpler. Simpler is a sampler that allows you to take samples and play them on your keyboard. I'm going to create a new track here. I'm going to record myself humming something. I'm just going to simply now drag that into Simpler. This is the starting position of the sample. So if I just now play a note on my keyboard, if you want to make the note longer, then you click double tempo. So now I can duplicate that same set of samples and we can just reduce the sustain and decay so we can make it sound like a bass line. And then we're going to freeze the track and now just reverse, and we're going to get this transition sound. And we're going to listen to a track now that has a single sample for my voice. It's created a bass line, it's created chords, it's created a synth melody, and it's created the transition, all from one vocal sample. All I've done is added kick, clap, some hats, and some effects.